Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, you find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, post a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, me jump up and see a major tabloid with a headline that reads, "Nothing but a rumor. Kartel's lawyer say no verdict received yet." Now, another interesting about the front page. What was interesting is the statement. Yesterday, tongues were sent wagging. Why for that statement there? As rumors circulated that the much anticipated judgment in the case of incarcerated artist Vybz Kartel has been or had been delivered, viewers and subscribers. Me don't know where the tabloids get a report of that nature, because a post like that was not on my page, virtual page, blessed are yet them page. Me don't know where them see a post like that. Now, viewers and subscribers, the DJ had won his appeal, they claimed was the topic. According to sources, they claimed too, inmates at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Facility, nicknamed GP, were in a jubilant mood as the DJ allegedly celebrated his long-awaited victory. But celebrations were short-lived as the entertainer's attorney shut down the rumors. Now, viewers and subscribers, wanna see what I go on? I wonder if you wanna see what take place. Where else would the DJ Vybz Kartel, the dancehall king, hear of his verdict than from the attorneys themselves? I'm gonna care what no one say. Who else would be able to notify the artist on a matter of this nature? None other than the attorneys would do so. So, me can say this. There's no way Vybz Kartel would be celebrating his appeal victory and his attorneys call him and say no, it's a rumor. No way possible. This is applied from the naysayers, them involved with big media, and this is what them a try to do. Now, I say why. Anytime we talk about the appeal and the process and all a reason for the situation, people always take to the comment section and say, yo, what you talk about that? Don't talk about that. These naysayers, viewers and subscribers, I look forward to hearing negativity. Them now listen for no positive reasoning, viewers and subscribers. Enough of them now listen for hear so the teacher will be freed. Enough of them are here or wait for hear say no, the teacher will be staying where he is right now. Not like that. Freedom is a must, viewers and subscribers. These statements where them a put out, I say them here say, people did that say, appeal win, and teacher start to celebrate, and lawyer call teacher, and I tell teacher say no, a rumor. Fictional. This sound like something out of a comic book. Viewers and subscribers, there was no statement of that nature being made by Gaza Nation. We were actually in wait. We did a wait patiently. I said, alright, we have up until 5 o'clock Wednesday evening. You know what I mean? I would know say it would be a more likely a Thursday reasoning before either Miss Robinson herself, Mr. Finson, or Mr. Samuels make the public know say yes, we have been notified that, you know what I mean, a verdict has been reached. Remember that Mama said them with a send her a notification. Say yes, the verdict has been reached. Them now go tell them in a letter say yes, the client win or no. Them now go tell them that the letter, all them go reveal to them that the letter is that yes, we can look forward to that date in court being the date when we will hand out the verdict and everybody can know where we're going. It's not like them going to hand out the verdict on paper. So that statement by the major tabloid, I said just a rumor, teacher celebrate that. No! What that? What am I come with? I'm going to notice anytime we put out our videos, people take to the comment section and, now I mean, and voice them opinion. How many of these people who choose to voice their opinions here have chosen to voice their opinions to the star? A vet I bet none of them not do it. Less than 5 if any. No, but that is why we continue to keep the reason alive, viewers and subscribers. First and foremost, the artists are my favorite artists. And other than that, this situation could happen to any individual. So that is why we continue to reason about the topic, viewers and subscribers, to keep it fresh in the mind of the fans. Because we are keep the topics so fresh. We can tell you this. We know nobody could make a statement like, yes, the ruling was handed out recently. At no point in time, no matter how you might think the statement was said, if you listen to the video, you will know. Some don't know where them get this bit of information from, saying that sources said that inmates in a Tower Street were celebrating alongside the incarcerated dancer, superstar, megastar if you will, and saying that yes, the appeal was won. One thing for sure though, of course, it is clear that victory is close within grasp. It is within reach. That is clear. That is definitely clear. It is also clear that the naysayers have started to, you know what I mean, push up themselves to paint a certain picture. When them can't paint a certain picture, you know what them try for do? Them try for God or spirits. Try for break our spirits, viewers and subscribers who will feel like say, oh wait, then the celebration need to go on, and the liar them tell we say no, nobody celebrate, cut with celebration short. No. That's how them want our feel in our mind, viewers and subscribers. The teacher stands strong. And we know yes, we can look out for the verdict being released. Well, the artist being released rather, and the notification for the verdict being handed out soon and very soon. I will do say it is sad to say that today, another Thursday, in the second month of 2020, and we still not receive the verdict as yet. Yeah, I definitely something if you look on the way I say, yo, there are clearly factors at play other than just the judge's deliberation. That is clear to see. The wait has passed the wait to I feel like say just the judges are deliberate now. It passed that point, and that is obvious to society. And even the major tabloids seem to play a hand that, you know what I mean, moving the emotion of the masses. Yeah, trying to weaken the emotion of the Gaza nation, for trying to say wait. I wonder if for negativity creep up into the minds of the fans and the well-wishers. No doubt nothing in your mouth. No uncertainty nothing in your thoughts, viewers and subscribers. Freedom is a must. I will not stop saying it. I will not stop talking about this topic rather until the teacher is released. Until Vybz Kartel, the dancehall megastar, the most influential, the most creative, the most innovative artist to ever do it to date, is released and allowed to perform and tour the world once again, we not stop talking about that topic yet. We not stop talking about that topic yet. And plus we see major tabloids I try for do what we see them I try for do. I can't know no one will stop. No, at no point in time. Talk to my Gaza nation. But know what you feel. When you see the statement, have you seen them yet? You can go check it out. What were your thoughts? Isn't it clear to you that this is, you know what I mean, as I say, not them time, propaganda at its finest? Because I'm not see no other reason why a statement like this would have been written and then published. Editing chief should make sure say, but wait, what is? Are these sources confirmed? But I guess that is not necessary when they talk about the teacher and when there's a certain, won't even want to use certain words, but a certain aim in mind when they put out a statement like this and put it on the front page. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And me remind you now, especially those who are new to the channel, just a pass through, but to not like the reasoning and of course not like the point of view, while I am suggesting that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also put it on all so that you can be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also there as well for me like we drop a like on the vlog. Yes, the share icon did it too. So you can use the share icon for tell a friend, for tell them sister and them brother them. Anywhere them there in the world for check out the channel and check out the reasoning via joining the discussion. And the comment section is always open. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. And we can continue reasoning via the comment section. And our up move settings, fam. You know the something go. And my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, for to love, and of course for to prosper until we reason again, fam. Freedom and we not stop state. You know the something go. Up move settings.